Ooh, wow. Mace, you know who that's from? Santa Claus.
Santa? Look, it's your first golf set. Uh-oh. 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 I'll give you the next Tiger Woods. Minus all the hoes. Ho-ho-hos. Right, minus all the ho-ho-hos. Look at it. You want to go golfing, Mace?
Mace, you want to be my caddy?
Dad does caddy. Look, golfing.
Oh, Tate looks so sad in the crate.
Yeah, you can let Tigger out now. He can run around.
I can't let go of this thing.
Yeah, it's your golf. Hey, Peter, look at my toys. Hi, Tate. Yeah, ball. That's right. This is a golf ball.
Bellers.
Let's see. Here's more. Oh yeah. Here's one from Coco, your girlfriend in Pittsburgh. Mace. Look.
Ben's over here tooting.
Coco.
Mace, look what mommy's got.
Another present for Mason. Look. Can you open this? Oh, look at that box. Here. We have to open the box. Get the tape off.
Like the worst angle here.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, styling.
Take it.
Mace.
You, Mace. Look at you.
You're gonna look super handsome.
You're gonna be a stud muffin. That's cute. Another motorcycle.
All the ladies are gonna be like, ooh, let me hop on that bike.
I think there's another one for Mason. You need help? Okay, don't get frustrated, bud. Mommy will help you. But you have another present to open, bud.
Ah. Ah. Oh, somebody needs a boogie wipes.
Okay, Mace, these are your last three, bud. Can you blow? Oh.
Good job.
Oh. Ugh. His ears are waxy too. Nope. All right. I guess we're done. Mace, you have a couple
Mace,
more.
go see mommy.
Look.
What she got for you?
Tater, come here. Come on, Tate. Oh,
Hopefully you
Tater,
stood still for that.
Good boy, Tater. Yeah. You're a little gift from Mommy won't say where.
Yeah. Definitely not from Santa Claus. Some sort of evil Santa Claus gave us that dog.
Mace, look at it.
Whoa, Mace.
Curious George.
No
That's
way.
one of Mommy's favorite books.
Curious George makes pancakes. What is he doing?
Curious George is probably making pancakes. Making pancakes. Look. You want to put that by your books? Book?
Yeah, book.
Good job.
Good job.
bud.
Well, you actually have to put it on the bookshelf. And here it comes. Mace, can you put that on the bookshelf? Can you put your book away, please? Yeah, let's not destroy it.
Okay, here. Let's open two more. We have two more. Look. What's in there?
Ooh.
I like this one. Yeah, just Daddy. Just for Mommy and Daddy.
Oh. You can play just like Daddy. should smell my butt. You think my breath's bad?
Say move. Get out the way. Get out the way.
Dun, dun, dun.
Whoa.
Whoa, Jammer.
You can rock out now, bud, with Daddy.
You get a guitar?
Can you show Daddy? Here, look.
Oh, it's got a cool tiger print too. Do it, Mace.
Yeah. Yeah.
Fuck that 6-string. Yeah. Dance moves. Now do the dance. Do the dance, Mace. Yeah.
Boy.
Get it. Get it. Do it. Do that dance. Do it. Do it. Do it.
Christmas morning.
Yeah. Shake it. Oh. Party hard, buddy. Where are you going? Are you're exiting the stage? Oh, encore.
On your knees.
Where'd he go? He's hidden behind the couch over there.
He's hugging Bella. Give Bella her Christmas hugs. Good job. Say I love you, Bella.
Can you give Bella a hug? Good
Oh,
job.
Good job, bud. Okay, you have one
Bye.
more.
All right, one more gift, bud.
It's from Caleb. You want to open one more? No, be gentle with Caleb, bud. Here, honey, you have one more. Let's not play with the string, okay?
Hey, Mace.
Mace, come here.
Let's open up the last gift, buddy.
Oh, there's actually another one. Here, bud. Oops.
Who's that one from? Oh.
The
Oh.
scribble.
Ooh.
You want the bow? Put the bow on your head. Very cute. You look Trey chic. Or as my mom would say, chick. Here. Come here. Look at this. Mason. Hey, you got another cell phone. Yeah.
Now you can call it international.
So nice at this point. Okay, one more, bud. You have one more. Then
Look.
we're going to open the cards for you so we can open ours.
Look at
Come here,
mommy.
Lovey. Mason, look. Rip. Whoa. Yeah, look. It's like the one in
Whoa.
the doctor's office. You get to write on that. Look at Tater and Bella. They're giving each other Christmas kisses. They're like, this is the only day we're nice to each other.
Once a year.
Oh, Tater.
That is pretty gross.
Yeah, look at that. You want to see it? Here, Mommy can take this out of the box. 3 years plus, you're advanced, kid. Yeah.
It's a good thing it's kid tough.
Whoa.
Makes you have so many toys now. Instead of waking up at 5 in the morning, you can just dream about playing with all your toys.
You want Mommy to open that? You want Mommy to open it?
All right, Daddy's gonna turn the camera off.
Okay, we're going to open that one present for you right now, okay?